Hello everyone, are you getting ready for the holidays or just the colder weeks? I just want to remind you to stay warm. I'm trying to stay warm inside my home, but I'll be going out in a little bit to do some shopping. Do you have all your skincare products so that your skin doesn't get damaged or dry? Well, make sure you have all those basic products. And today I'm going to talk about not only the basic products, but the basic things that are available just around us, just in case we're forgetting, because these precious little things are sometimes taken for granted, and I'm just as guilty. Welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Jackie D. If this is your first time, welcome. And I hope that you like this video already, so that you can subscribe to my channel. I try to make it fun because, life is hard. So many things are happening around us. Your time is precious, so I want to make it worth your while. I value and appreciate you. So, today, we're just talking about those things that you might be forgetting because, sometimes when we're so focused on these new products, this is a new technique, this is viral, oh my gosh, somebody did this to her face and it's just glowing overnight. And then we forget the little things. So, number one, don't forget, drink water. Drink lots of water. If you can't take the taste of plain water, like I don't like the taste of plain water, especially when it's tap, I have to put ice, lots of ice. Or one very natural ingredient you can put in your water is a drop of lemon. Drops of lemon. It makes such a whole difference and you can definitely enjoy your water. Number two, eat lots of fruit. Apples, bananas, avocados, even vegetables like bell pepper, broccoli, bok choy. Cabbage is very good if you're trying to lose weight. Oh my gosh, just munch on cabbage. And of course, sauerkraut. These vegetables that are available around us are actually very good for your skin. Papaya is also very good for the skin, although it's very seasonal, so it can be very expensive at this time of the year. You can buy frozen berries because at this time of the year, the fresh ones are hard to find. So you'll have frozen raspberries, frozen strawberries. Number three, don't forget, always good to have green juice. Spinach, cucumber. I just mix anything. And ginger. Ginger is very healthy. I know it's hard to kick the habit, but no alcohol, because alcohol is really damaging to our health and even to our mental health. Maybe a little wine here and there, but I'm not a wine drinker. I probably will take wine once a year. And depends on the event. Like there's a party, you're just having fun. You just want to taste some white wine. No smoking. Even secondhand smoke. Avoid secondhand smoke. Exercise. I know not everybody likes to hear it. When you think of the word exercise, it sometimes connotes hard work. Hard work. Minutes or hours of boring time spent. Play your music. When you're on the treadmill, when you're doing your weights, when you're doing floor exercises, just turn on your music, YouTube music, or whatever music you have. Put on your headphones and start exercising. Or dance. Even if you're not a dancer, play the music and move your limbs, move your hands, and you are already doing some cardio. My doctor said that once you feel that your heart is like you're running out of breath, then your cardio is working. You are giving your heart the exercise it needs. I'm 63 years old, so I have to be very, very conscious about what I do with my body. We're not as young, we're not as agile, we're not as active, we're not as alert. Brain fog, especially if you've had menopause like me. I have to write down everything I do so that I will remember. But see, I don't remember to write down what I have to do. So bottom line is I forget everything. Brain fog, so things like that, especially after you've had menopause. So vitamin D, sunshine, go out and enjoy the sun. The days are shorter, the nights are longer, so we hardly see some sun. So as soon as there's sun, go out, have a little walk, jog, walk with your dog. I love my dog. I walk with my dog all the time. And enjoy the sun. Enjoy the sun together. Learn to relax. Take it easy. Take it easy. Meditate. Pray. Just listen to your breathing. Don't think of anything else. Just focus on your breathing, on your body, on the feeling that your skin has, the feel of your toes, the feel of your clothes on your skin. It's very relaxing. It's actually a practice in mindfulness. When you try to just focus on the very little things and not think of the huge problems, your tasks, your errands, just get them out of your mind and focus on the present. Mindfulness doesn't have to happen when you're meditating or just thinking of your body, your breathing. Mindfulness can happen when you're doing something mechanical, like you're gardening, you're watering the plants, you're looking through the leaves of your plants and seeing if there are any rotting leaves or something like that, right? Sewing, creating crafts, painting. These are all very mindful activities and they help build a healthy mindset. So these are the things that I would ask you to not forget because they actually create a very healthy mental well-being. There is what they call SAD light, SAD, and it helps because we don't have a lot of sun. And so when you turn on the SAD light, it actually gives you the effect of sunlight. People have been talking about the value of SAD light. What it can do for your mental health is just amazing. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I just wanted to touch base with you and remind you to stay healthy. Don't let the dark nights affect your positive mood. This is based on my experience. I'm not a doctor, I'm not a guru, but this is what I know because it has happened to me. I've seen it with others. I've seen it with my daughter who went through depression, and it's always good to have some sunlight in your life because vitamin D, it brings up the serotonin. Serotonin. So many things are happening around us that we can easily be triggered by negative factors outside. Even just the weather can cause us to feel really low. So remember, when that happens, you have options. Always remember that you have options. When there's a problem, there's a solution. But before you find that solution, you have to exert some effort, some time. We've talked about how you can take care of your skin and how you can stay mentally healthy, especially during these darker months. And if you're ever feeling low, if you ever feel like, oh my gosh, I need some energy, I need some cheerleader, that's me. Come find my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe so that you'll get my notifications when I come up with a new episode. And then hopefully that will cheer you up. My goal is to help you find your better version, to help cheer you up, to remind you that you are better and you can become better every single day. Even if you're already feeling perfect today, tomorrow you're going to feel even better because we have control about how we develop our mindset, how we grow, how we cope. We have control. It's our attitude. We have no control over external factors, but we definitely have control over our thoughts, our actions, and our words. Take care of yourself. Keep your chin up. You're worthy. You're beautiful. You're fabulous. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms, Instagram at The Real D, TikTok at The Real D, and my Facebook page, Building Self-Esteem on Social Media. And of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Bye for now. Baby, it's cold outside.